Being faster now.
I know.
It's syrup.
Go.
So gross.
Oh my god, it's foul. Whew.
I love syrup though.
The first like 3 chugs, I was like, man, this isn't bad. Oh, this is horrible.
You're not done
Your
yet.
bottles don't look empty.
Oh my god.
That was fast though. Y'all haven't even been going for a minute yet.
Holy. Jesus. Servings per container, 12.
Good
Dude,
God!
we just seriously ingested
2,400
calories.
Holy shit.
Holy
That's
Jesus.
more than I ate last week.
Oh my god. Finish it up. Oh my god, I started laughing the first couple swigs. I was like, this is not cool.